So before we prevent the user from accessing the plans, so let's create a new, or let's first display the plans. And to display the plans, we need to create a new controller, which is plan controller. So the controller is here. So next we need to move to our plan controller. So here we have only one function, which is the index. And this function will get all plans and return the view that we will create, which is the plans.index, and we send the plans. So that's all. So we need to import plan model, and we are done. So now we are done with the plans. So let's move to the next. So the next we need to create folder plans, and here we have index.blade.php. So inside, let's copy from anyone here. So let's copy only this part and paste it here. So close and close the div and close section. So here we have end section. So that's all. So what we have here, we have a row with margin. Let's first change this to plans. So we have a row with margin top and bottom, or only top of 5. And we have column 12, and we need another div with a row. And now we need to loop through each plan. So plans as plan. And here inside we need another div with the call M4, and another div with a card, and we need another div with a card header, and we need, let's do something. Let's add some classes to this. Let's add the text to center, and margin bottom of 4, and rounded 3, and shadow SM. Okay, and we will add other classes later once we choose a plan. So when the user chooses a plan, so we will add a border to the card or to the plan that the user has chosen. So let's add here also a class of padding top and the bottom of 3, and inside the card header, let's add each 4 with margin top and the bottom of 0 and font weight of normal. So here we display plan name. Okay, so we did not add the route. Let's add the route so we can see what we are doing here. So let's move to our web.php file. So here we can add the route. So the user needs to be logged in to access the plans. So here we can make it only plans, and here let's make it plan controller, which is the controller, and don't forget to import it. Okay, and here index, and here we can add plans.index. Okay, so now we have the route. So let's move to the plans and see what we have here. So let's change it here to plans. So as you can see, we have started full QR codes, super full QR codes, okay, which is the name of each plan. So this is the card header. We have also the card body. So div card body, and we need each one with card title. So we have the card title. The card title has the plan price, and also we have let's add a small tag with the text body secondary and font weight light, and here we add slash months. Okay, so let's save. Let's go back here and refresh. So as you can see, we have 9 and 18 and 36. Okay, so next what we have, we need to add the list, and let's give it class list and styled with a margin top of 3 and a margin bottom of 4. And let's add also a list item, and list item doesn't have a class. Inside we have span, and span has font weight bold, and here we have the plan and the plan number of QR codes, and save. So let's see what we have here. So refresh. So we have 150 and 1000. Let's add also here. So let's add also, so we can add let's add an icon, fast QR code, and see. So I think it's better to add the QR code beside how many QR codes we have. So we have 100, 500, and 1000. Next, what we have? Next, we have the button. So the user can subscribe to a plan. Okay, so let's add, so after the UL here, let's add a link, and link will take the class width of 100 and btn outline and primary, and here we have choose, not here, so we will add the route later. So here we have choose plan. So save. Let's refresh and see what we have here. Okay, so as you can see, we have choose plan, choose plan, choose plan. Okay, so we have name, we have the price by months, we have how many QR codes, and we have choose plan. But I think we did not add the fonts to our project. So as you can see, so the font is not showing. We have a font inside our app.blade.php. So we have a font here, this one. Okay, we will do that later. So we will add some styles to our, or some improvement to our styles. So we will do that later. Let's for now only display the plans. And now what we need to do, we need, once the user clicks on plan, so we need to set the plan or the chosen plan, and also we need so we will add the border to the plan that the user has chosen. Okay,